What's up, YouTube? Here we are in Colton, right here, tuning my Honda. We got a b16a swap, fully built, sleeved. Everything is brand new, transmission, clutch. We're trying to boost about 5 pounds right now just to start off around 350 horsepower with the turbo that we got. Everything is gonna be smooth and oh my God, it's gonna be amazing. We got over here someone hyped up. We got Jesse. We got everybody hyped up with this Honda. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. Share this video as well. Let us know what you guys think. And hopefully we get a test drive this Honda around Mobile, and let's see what potential it has. You heard that turbo at the end. Oh yeah, that's the baby right there. That's super strong right there. Fuck! Right now we're pushing 285 horsepower. As you can see, it backfired. It's something I didn't expect. It kind of got me off guard. Fuck that, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep pushing this and let's see what's the limit we could hit.
Bang bang.
Woo! Horsepower so far, pushing it up more. Let's see how it goes.
There goes my eardrums.
Hitting two-step, setting up two-step on this Honda right now.
Are we good?
All right, YouTube, here we are in Colton. We finally finished tuning the car. The car topped out at 325 horsepower with that turbo. Oh, it's about 10 psi. Well, we're trying to do it at 15. Everything came out perfect. It was two-stepping. We programmed all the pedal shifters. We programmed everything already. The car's ready to go. They're gonna start finishing it up right now. We're gonna tow it. We're gonna start heading out. I got my truck right here, as you guys can see on my other videos. We're just getting ready to go. Once we get home tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna make another video, show you guys a little bit more on the car. Right now, I'm gonna get some footage of the engine, but tomorrow I'm for sure gonna get more video once we get it to get aligned and do everything else as well. We're gonna go take that done, and then I'm gonna give out some more footage on that as well. Thank you guys for watching. loading it in the freaking tow right now. We're ready to go home. We got this car running and going soon. Let's get going. All right. We're ready to go. The car loaded, ready to go. We're about to go home. We're gonna go rest. Tomorrow's a new day. We got the car at 325 horsepower, so that's still something good for what it is. I'm gonna show you guys around the car a little bit more tomorrow when it's morning, and then from there we'll take it for a tour.